Hey guys, it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited about this video because I love doing these type of videos. Oh my god. And as you can tell from the title of it, this is going to be my full review on the Rick Owens Dark Shadow sneakers that I got back in January. If you guys are new to my channel, let me just say, when I do my luxury videos, I don't do them when I first get them. I like to wear them a bunch of times. I like to beat them shit to the ground. Beat that hoe from the bay. I beat that whole. Okay, sorry, that was completely random. Sorry, TikTok got over my spirit. Oh my gosh. But I like to, you know, really wear them and get into them so that way I can give my full, honest opinion and review and do, like, let you know, do I think that they're worth it? Are they comfortable? Whatever. So, and I'm saying that because they're a little dirty and I haven't had a chance to clean them, but I'm not even gonna clean them because y'all bitches going out tonight. Okay, period. So you already know what to do. Before we begin, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. And let's go ahead and get started. So this is the box that they come in. It says Dark Shadow on the front, and just to give y'all some specs and tea, they just say sneaks. They have like a SKU number, and then it says black milk. So that is the colors that I got them in, and I got them in a size 38.5. So little back knowledge for you guys in case you're interested in purchasing them and you want to know about sizing. This is an Italian size, 38.5, which is equivalent to a 8.5, which is my true size in US. Most shoes that I have are 8.5. However, in my Balenciaga track trainers, if you guys haven't seen that video, I will link it in the cards for you. Those are size 39. My Gucci jelly sandals, also will link them in the cards for you. That was a size 38. And my YSL espadrilles, I don't think I ever did a, yes I did, I'm lying, I did do a video on that. I will put it in the cards as well. That was a size 38 as well. I haven't done a video on my Margielas yet, but those are 39, but we'll get into that in a future video. And do I have any other luxury shoes? My Balenciaga Slides, I think they were a 39. So the way I kind of go based off of things, a lot of Italian brands don't make half sizes. And so if it's something that needs to be like a little bit more snug, like an espadrille or like a sandal or something like that, then I typically go with the 38. But like sneakers and stuff, I go with the 39. However, I stepped out on faith and I seen that these came in 38.5, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna try it. And I was scared. Let me tell y'all. When I first did my unboxing, I looked at them, I said, these shits ain't gonna fit. They look so tiny. And I was scared, but then I put my foot in them and I was like, praise the Lord, hallelujah. They fit. So let's just go ahead and jump into them so you guys can see. Now, they come with like a bunch of tissue paper, and they actually came with a really cute like dark gray tote bag. I don't have the tote bag in here. So these are the sneakers. As you can see, they've been worn. They are highly loved. I adore them. I need to clean them. They got like a little scuffing on the front, which kind of sucks. I think like my foot probably like scuffed concrete or something like that, but it's not super noticeable, and I don't really trip too much about things looking a little worn because that's the whole point. I didn't spend the money on them just for them to sit around, but they just have like a little bit of dirt and stuff like that. But these are the sneakers right here. These are very popular. I'm sure you guys seen them on, you know, YouTube and TikTok and Instagram and all that other stuff, and they basically are a fancy Converse. So before I get the freaking comments, hey, look like Converse, you just spent so much money on Converse. I know, but I wanted these and I got them. It's my money. I can do what I want with my money. You do what you want with yours, okay? So yeah, I got these on Farfetch. Now Farfetch is one of my favorite stores to shop on. I love spending my money on Farfetch. It's a problem. I love getting my luxury goods from them. One, because they have just so many different varieties from so many different countries. Like you can literally find everything on that one website. It's all completely authentic. They ship really fast. And they also sometimes be having little coupons, little discounts, little sales going on. So it's awesome to go on there and check out what they have. Let me tell y'all the exact price I spent on these. I don't remember. I want to say it was like $7 and change. I paid $709.94 for these, so $709.94. They were actually supposed to be about $30 or $40 or $50 more, but Farfetch actually had like a little secret coupon code. And if you guys don't know how to use those secret coupon codes, download the Honey app. That's what I'm gonna say. If you guys need me to go more into depth about that, I surely will. But yeah, so I ended up paying $709. Let's just say $700 on these, and I actually used Klarna for them. So Farfetch does offer Klarna, which is super amazing. So you're able to pay off your item every 2 weeks. So I think it was like $177. Let's just get into like comfort, how I feel about these. I'm gonna just say these sneakers right here are a 10 out of 10. I absolutely love them. My reasoning for purchasing them is because they are so versatile. There's so many different things that you can do with these sneakers. I mean, you can wear skirts, shorts, jeans, freaking sweats, like whatever you want with them. They're very, very versatile. I wanted them because I wanted a luxury black sneaker, and that was my whole thought process on the purchase. And I've worn them, you know, just chilling on a everyday, like walking around basis. I've worn them out, which is the reason why they're dirty. Like I've worn them out like to the club kind of thing, because I'm not really a heels girl. I've worn them in a lot of different occasions, and I want to say they are very, very comfortable in my opinion. I don't have any problems with my feet hurting. I know with luxury shoes, we tend to have a lot of pain and stuff like that with our feet, but I don't have a problem with these. However, one thing that does scare me, the bottom of these shoes, the very bottom, is a little bit slippery, and your girl is very, 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 very clumsy. So depending on the flooring that I'm at, you might be slipping and sliding just a little bit. I'm sure there's ways to kind of like fix that, but I ain't figured that out yet, okay? As far as the lacing, it did take me a little minute to understand how the hell they did the lacing, but I do like the details of it, but I did have to adjust it a bit. And how I like to wear them, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do. And most people wear them, because the laces are so long, you kind of like wrap it around your ankle, and it just kind of gives a little added flair to the sneaker, which I think is dope. They do also have the silver zipper on the side, which makes the process a lot easier. So once you have the laces adjusted to your liking, you really don't have to F with it other than like tying them on, but you just zip them down, put your foot in, zip them up, which is really, really good. They do have like a snugged feeling, but not an uncomfortable feeling. Like it feels like perfectly snugged around my foot, and I do have a more narrow foot, so if you are somebody with wider feet, you might have to loosen the laces a bit. But they just have this snug, like comfortable feeling where it just feels like your foot is just meant to go in it. It's just like, it's like holding it like a little baby. Like I really do appreciate the way that they feel on my feet. Obviously, because of the color, they do get dirty a little bit easy, and of course, like the scuffing in the front. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm talking about, this little scuff that I have in the front, which kind of sucks. They do get a little dirty easy, but because it's just like a rubber material, it should be very, very easy to clean. And this material right here, I'm not even too sure what it is. I want to say the inside is like more of like it's like a canvas, if I'm not mistaken. It's a canvas material, and because it's black, it doesn't get dirty like on this part, and if it was, it'll be a very easy process to clean. It's not like a clothy material where you're gonna be like, God damn, like how am I gonna get that out? So yeah, guys, I don't really know what else you guys want to know about them other than they are very comfortable. I do love them. The price point is not bad. They're not my most expensive, you know, footwear, but I can understand if somebody's like, girl, that's a lot of money for some shoes. So I feel you. Like it depends on, you know, your idea of like luxury, you know what I'm saying? You can use Klarna. I don't know what else to tell y'all. I think they're fire, and I think they were definitely worth it. And would I repurchase them? Hell yeah, I would. I would definitely get like another color or something like that. My cousin has some red ones, and those just look fire on his feet. He has the actual Rick Owens. I don't know if you guys know, but you know, some brands, they have like little sister brands that might be a cheaper price point. So Dark Shadow is a cheaper price point than getting the actual Rick Owens, but to me it's like, ain't much of a difference besides the fact that I think Rick Owens is like real leather, but I didn't really want a leather shoe. I wanted something that would be versatile no matter the weather, so I felt like this was ideal. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you a little bit more insight on these shoes and how I feel about them. Definitely recommend them. Think they're great. Definitely true to size in my opinion. Make your feet look small and cute, which is awesome. So yeah, if you have been contemplating on getting these, I say get them, jump on them. It's definitely worth it. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative in any kind of way. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.